Here is a modified version of the previous program, but this program is very interesting. You see, here I have declared an array of structure with dimension 4. So here worker 4 is the array of structure with dimension 4, and I have initialized all the 4 elements of the array over here. After that, I have declared a pointer variable p, which is pointer to structure of type employee. I have defined employee like this, and then I assign address of the first element of the array of structure to the pointer p. So worker 0 is the first element of the array worker, and I have assigned the address of this element, address of first element, to the pointer variable p, and after this assignment p will point to the first element of array of structure, namely worker. So p will point to this element. Okay, now execute the program up to first printf library function by pressing F4 key and press F7. Press Alt F5 to see the output. You see what we are displaying? P arrow balance. So right now p is pointing to the first element, hence 1000 will be displayed. Let us see the output. Yes, the value 1000, which is nothing but content of second member, that is balance of the first element of the array, namely worker 0. Clear? Well, now this is the next operation, plus p arrow balance. We have studied this expression in previous session. So if you use plus operator like this, then content of balance will be incremented by 1. Hence the content of balance is 1000, and hence output will be 1001. So 1001 should be displayed. Execute this statement and execute printf library function and see the output. Yes, 1001 is displayed over here. Is it clear? Well, now see the next interesting statement here. P++, B++ arrow balance. So here we have used plus operator after p. Now if you execute this statement and if you display the content, then we'll get very interesting output at DOS prompt. Here we know that arrow operator has higher priority than plus operator. So what is the first operation in this case? Arrow operator. So balance field will be accessed, means this one. After that we have incremented p. Right now p is pointing to the 0th element of the array, that is worker 0. If you increment p, we know pointer arithmetic, and hence p will point to the next element of the array. Next element is worker 1, and hence 2000 will be displayed. Let us see the output. Right now 2000 is displayed. Is it clear? Understood the working of this statement? This one, p++ arrow balance. Don't you think that it's interesting? Well, I'll show you one more interesting result. Here I have inserted parenthesis around the expression p arrow balance. Okay, so this means first operation will be p arrow balance, and after that we'll increment the result by using plus operator. Right now where p is pointing? P is pointing to the 2000, that is member balance, second member of the second element of the array of structure worker. So right now p is pointing to this element, okay, this data. Now what we are doing? We are executing this expression. Let us execute it, and what should be the answer? Answer is balance will be increased by 1. So 2001 should be displayed at the screen. Execute this statement and see that. Yes, 2001 is displayed over here. Is it clear? Well, now see the one more interesting statement. Here I have inserted bracket around p++. So first operation should be this one, and after that arrow will be executed. Okay, so let us see the evaluation of this expression. What we should get, because P plus plus is the first operation, right now P is pointing to this one, and we are P is pointing to the second element of the array. If you increment P, then P will point to the third element of the array, that is worker 2, and that is why 3000 should be displayed. Okay, let us see the output. Execute this statement. Yes, the content of the second member of the third element of the array is displayed. I mean, balance field of worker 2 is displayed over here. I mean, this data is displayed at the prompt. Understood the working? Now you see, observe carefully which two statements are equivalent and the inner working I will highlight again in detail. Okay, the statement plus plus P arrow balance first access the structure member balance and then increments the structure variable balance. Okay, the statement P plus plus arrow balance first access the structure member balance and then increment the pointer P. Because of this, pointer P will be incremented by size of the structure employee. What is the size of structure employee? It is 56 bytes. You see, 50 bytes for the character array, 2 bytes for the second member, and 4 for this one. So 50 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 56 bytes is the size of this structure, namely employee. And that's why if you increment P, it will be incremented by 56 bytes because of pointer arithmetic. Okay, before execution of this statement, the pointer P points to the first element of the array, that is worker 0. After execution of this statement, the pointer P will point to the next element of the array of structure, that is worker 1. Hence, the last statement containing printf library function displays the structure member balance of the structure variable worker 1. Is it clear? Remember one more important point. Note that the statement plus plus P arrow balance is equivalent to the statement this one, plus plus in the bracket, I mean in the parenthesis, P arrow balance, parenthesis complete. Similarly, the statement P plus plus arrow balance is equivalent to this one, that is parenthesis around P plus plus arrow balance. So these two are equivalent and these two are equivalent. Is it clear? Understood the working? Thank you.